This is a microprocessor based pH meter by Abron Export, which has a range from 0 to 14 pH with the 0.01 pH accuracy. It also has a MV reading and temperature of 0.1 accuracy. It has this pH. It gives you all the three readings all together in one display. I tell you, this is a calibration button, mode selection for calibration 4, 9 and 3 modes, save and read. It is also increase and decrease also. This one is for both the buttons. I can just make it an arrow, which is a decrease and increase button. So there are increase and decrease also. Now this has a I'll tell you the parts. There are on the back side, this one is a probe for temperature, this one is for combined electrode, power cord and on off switch on the right side. Once you switch it on, before switching on you have to connect it to the thermometer probe, which is called ATC, automatic temperature probe, and this is a combined electrode. Be careful, I have to tell you, this comes with the semi-permeable membrane, which is like this, and it comes in the bottle, which is sealed one. It should not be pushed to the bottom, and you have to take it out and then rinse it in the bottle in the distilled water, and then with the bottle you have to push and wash it before, and then keep it in distilled water for 24 hours before the actual real experiment. So there is a solution inside. You see this, there is a solution which is filled with the KCl, and there is a hole here where if it is not filled, then it should be opened. This tube should go down and fill it. This is a very sensitive glass which is having electrons can pass, not the solution. So it should never be touched to the bottom. See, this is not touching bottom. It can break very easily. This is sensitive. There is a one wire connected to the back, and now it tells you the readings. Once again, I give you, before any let it stabilize the temperature. Here it is showing 28.2 and temperature is 7.24 is the pH, because this was having a concentration of some other solution. I can show you there is another solution. I can once again give you Bisleri. I am just opening it and putting it in Bisleri. This will give you the Bisleri reading 6.84 and MV is almost 7, and then it is giving MV will be 0 at 7. Now I once again put it in this after washing it. Now the solution is having concentration. Another tap water is there with me. I have taken out the tap water and I am now trying to arrange it and see the reading is approximately 6.5 to 7. It is 6.5 to 7 and it is a drinkable. I am not using it again and again. I am putting it in different solutions so that readings are changing. Now please see this, and once the readings will be stable, only then you have to take the readings. Now after the solution is always sticking to the electrode, and then electrons will pass and then it will be stable. After some time, the stability is coming close to 7. It's a minus is coming. Minus 32 will be above 7, and this pH electrode is telling you the temperature. As it will come to 7, this will become 0 almost. Temperature is there. Now for another calibration and how to calibrate temperature probe, how to calibrate the pH and instrument. This they see the other video. This instrument is having a 3 modes. 2 mode, like pH 4 and 7 can be calibrated, or 7 or 9 can be calibrated. 2 mode is 4 and 7. 3 mode is 4, 7 and 9 mode pH calculation. And then there is another mode, 5 mode calibration will be there. It will be visible here. I can just show you once again, and this is all our instrument. Please visit. Let me show you the calibration mode. Keep it pressed. It tells you calibration mode. Then it is showing the calibration. I can switch off without calibration. Switch it on. How it will work in the calibration, I'll just show you another video. You have to keep it, press it, both of them, waiting for calibration. It tells you, I can switch it off and it will back to the same mode which was calibrated earlier. I have done it, and there is a immediately I have done this calibration in 2 modes. Now see this. Please visit the website abronexports.com and subscribe to our channel. You can send an abron01@gmail.com any email or WhatsApp your messages. You can check up the instrument and send us your mail. Thank you very much.